Right, Wheatridge update, end of April. The Inglenook fireplace is out now because our client is having a built-in TV and gas fireplace that we've got to create all this. So this is his living room. Not a lot has happened inside of Wheatridge because we're still waiting on drawings and plans from the interior designers, but that's happened. That's that lovely old oak beam that we think dates back 1300, 1500 years old, and it's Saxon. It's from a Saxon longboat, apparently. It's been traced back, so it's very interesting. Obviously, holes dug, drainage for the island for the kitchen, but the big developments is out here. There's no steps, so please bear with me. Stepping into the glass box that's all been concreted, which is called the subframe, sub-layer, whatever you want to call it. And the IQ glass started putting their frames up, but there's been a couple of issues, so they'll be back next week with that. But yes, the sub base is in. The gym's ready to now just to put our cut roof on it. Strange design by the architect, where the steel stops short and that finishes with a piece of timber, I'm being told. And that'll be the utility just there, and this will be his gym, and obviously that will take shape. The barn's done, waiting windows, and obviously the big floor, the replacement floor, put all the services in, and then the caber floor can go down on top of that. So just spanning around now, you get the idea how fabulous this is really going to be. With the landscape gardens, he's going to have his double garage over there, brand new gates. All that will be opened out, and there'll be steps coming down, and this will be all glass. It'll be stunning, absolutely stunning. So yeah, very pleased, looking great. Enjoy.